It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Ecotec 3 engine, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar remote link, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, Rancho shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads